So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to sell USDT on OKX by P2P or peer-to-peer. So first, you need to open your OKX application on your mobile device, but if you don't have, just simply visit their website. And after visiting their website, just enter your credentials for you to able to access your account. And once you accessed it, you will see this page, but you just have to navigate to the 9 dots, which is located at the top left corner of your screen. And once you clicked in, you will see the Manage Assets section, which is a bunch of options that you might choose, but just navigate to the P2P trading. Click on it and click on the Sell section for you to able to sell cryptocurrency or USDT. And after that, you can choose your preferred currency. And after that, you need to go back to your profile and choose payment for you to able to add which payment method you wanted to receive on. And after that, you need to input your bank details and just select the bank transfer for your payment methods. And the list of your selling, which is the USDT, is now listed on the exchanger, and you're now all set. That's how you sell USDT on OKX by P2P. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.